Well, let's take a look at the main documents I see that I think every saver should consider having. First of all is a simple will. Now, folks, I'm not opposed to trusts, but I think trusts can get very complicated. In my opinion, many of you are taking out a lot of these trusts. They're unnecessary. Earlier in the program, we talked about the 4 types of assets that are passed. If you've got a home and let's say $20,000 in the bank and a $500,000 401k, quite frankly, in my opinion, you don't need a trust unless there's some extenuating circumstances with children or grandchildren or something like that. You're just making things too complicated, but you do need a simple will to make sure if there's something you forgot, we make sure we know who's going to get what if you forgot to name a beneficiary or something like that. So you need a simple will. Number 2, healthcare related documents. This is a biggie. An attorney can fill you in on this, but there's more and more documents that you might have to have in place should you or a loved one go into the hospital before medical attention can be given to you under various circumstances. These healthcare related documents will help spell that out so people will know whether they should resuscitate you or all these things that can come up. Medical conditions worsen. So again, you might want to figure out who's going to be assigned to make those tough decisions related to your health. A living will. I hate to say this, I just call this a pull the plug on your will. Many people worried about someone sustaining their life past a period of time where they don't want to be alive. But if you're hooked up to a ventilator or something and that's not what you want, but there's nothing in writing, more than likely somebody's not going to make that call and just unplug the cord, so to speak. So I'd highly suggest you consider a living will as well. And finally, boy, this is an important document. I can't tell you how important this is anymore. It's called a durable power of attorney. It needs to be durable, meaning it takes advantage of the fact that you become disabled, medically unable to act on your behalf, cognitively impaired, or there is somebody that, especially people in retirement as they get a little older, they just want them to have the ability to handle financial issues on their behalf. At Tony Walker Financial, we highly recommend all of our clients have somebody appointed that has a durable power of appointment. So again, if they did call in, they could help and we could provide financial information. This even accounts for spouses. Depending on accounts, how they're set up, if a spouse calls in and wants to know information on another spouse's account, in many cases, we cannot disclose that information unless we have a durable power of attorney. Now, there's a caveat. These things can be kind of dangerous because remember, you are giving somebody that power. So you might want to have more than one person that can check the other person for this power. I've seen a lot of crazy things happen in the past 40 years. So to spell out the potential, drama that can ensue with or without a durable power of attorney, I thought we would turn it over to our own Mandy Houchins in our Bowling Green office, who works with durable powers of attorney and assists our clients all the time.
Hello, I am Mandy Houchins, and I am in charge of the service department here at Tony Walker Financial. One of the most recent concerns we have for our clients is obtaining a power of attorney or POA document. A power of attorney authorizes someone else to handle certain matters such as finances or healthcare on your behalf. If a power of attorney is durable, it remains in effect even if you become incapacitated for any reason. We highly recommend you consult an attorney for further information before establishing a power of attorney. And as always, if we can be of help, feel free to reach out to us here at Tony Walker Financial.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like, check out these other clips. And be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos.